Alright, so for your Sbac test part 2, let's look at some of these problems. So 10 to the x power over 12 to the x. What must x be for the value to be 5, 6? Well, 10 twelfths reduces to divide by 2, reduces to 5, 6. So we don't want to change anything. So for this one to work, so if I have this 10 to some power over 12 to some power, what do I want x to equal? Well, we want it to be 1. So it would be 10 to the 1 power over 12 to the 1 power. So for that first one, it's x equals 1. This one's x equals 2. Try it. And this one's x equals 0. Alright, next slide. So this one, write a proportional relationship between wage and hours. So if we get wage 21 times hours, that's going to equal our wage. So the answer to this one is pretty much right there. W equals 21H. The more you work, as the hours go up, your wage increases. So as this goes up, boop, 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 this goes up. They both go up, proportional. First step on 11, we have to multiply by 1/4. So I'll write this like this. I'll do each step out. 1/4 times 8x and minus 1/4 times 4 plus 2x equals 31. Okay? So, now what happens? 1/4 is like dividing by 2. So, this becomes 1/4 times 8x, that equals 2x minus, what does that equal? Well, 1/4 times 4 will equal 1, minus 1, plus, we recopy everything, plus 2x equals 31. So now, I'm going to underline my like terms. They're on the same side. This says 2x plus 2x, so I get 4x. And I'll recopy everything. Minus 1 equals 31. So 2x plus 2x equals 4x. That's where that's coming from. Minus 1. And now we need to just solve. So I add 1. So I get 4x equals 32. Divide by 4. X equals 8. Here, I've already done that. So that was the problem, 3x minus 4. So right away, that becomes 3x plus 4x equals 7x. Recopy. Minus 4. Minus 5 equals negative 58. I'll draw my line for people who like this on the equal signs. So now, let me combine this. These two numbers. Negative 4, we can combine them. That's combining like terms. That'll go here. So I'll draw my equal sign. Negative 4 minus 9. That's minus, or 5. Minus equals minus 9. I'm getting ahead of myself. So 7x minus 9 equals negative 58. So now, let's start bringing stuff over. Now that we have terms solved for, plus 9 equals 7x. That's negative 49. So now I divide by 7. X equals negative 7. An iPhone can hold 3 to the 4 songs. You have 3 to the 13 songs in your computer. How many iPhones? You need to just divide this. And if you divide, it'll equal 3 to the 13 minus 4 equal 3 to the 9th. Okay. 14. So, again, which equations have infinitely solutions? So, infinite is when it's the same equals same. Okay? Or like, so this equals infinite. Or, but you know, like 2 equals 2 equals infinite. So, let's go check some of these. Combine your like terms. So 3x minus x, that'll be 2x plus 2 equals 4 minus 2, that equals 2x plus 2. So check, that's 1. This would equal 5x plus 10 equals, if I combine my 8 and my minus 2, I'll get 5x plus 6. This is no solution, so no. 8 minus 3 is 5x plus 2 equals 5x plus 3. No solution. Nope. This one we have, these cancel out, so I have 7 equals 8. No solution. So nope. This one, again, these 4's cancel out, so that's 0. And I'll have 3 equals 3. Yep. So A and E. Great station. So here, we have a company receives 9 times 10 to the 8th profit of the year. Company B, 3 times 10 to the 5th. How much more time? So we got to divide. So let's divide each individual part. Part 1. 9 divided by 3. That equals 3. So 3 times, what does this equal? 10 to the 8th over 10 to the 5th equals 10 to the 3rd. So this equals 3 times 10 to the 3rd, which is 3 zeros. 3,000. $3,000 more. Or 3,000 times more they make, not $3,000. Alright, so real quickly here, number 16. Start at 0, 0. Our slope equals 3 over 1. So I'm going to go up 3 and over 1. Okay, so count 1, 2, 3, 1. There's my point. That's all I have to do. And now I'll draw my line. That's not going to work. That looks good. That looks good. We're proud of that. We're happy. We can put our cap on it. Alright. Also remember, this is the y-axis and this is x. You guys should know that. Just remembering. Hopefully you guys remember that. Alright. That should do it for the things that you need to go over.